Established in 2014, YMJ has been the leading manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of OCA laminate machine, glue remove machine, LCD separate machine, flex bonding machine, and freeze separate machine. Focus on LCD and OLED broken glass refurbish. YMJ has got advanced equipment and technicians that specialize in LCD repair machines and consumable parts for more than 5 years. YMJ is located right in the bustling commercial and financial zone of Shenzhen, with convenient transportation and exquisite scenery. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, YMJ professional staff are always available to meet your requirements and ensure full client satisfaction. All YMJ machines have obtained China patent and CE certification. Selling well in domestic market, YMJ LCD repair machines and accessories are also exported to foreign countries and regions, such as Northern America, Europe, Russia, Southeast Asia, and Mid-East. Put customers first, so as to YMJ products and services have gained an admirable corporate reputation all over the world. And 1-year guarantee is provided for all YMJ machines. Apart from that, free training and technical support are available as well. We offer OEM and ODM service, as well for individual customization. Whether selecting a commercially available product or seeking engineering assistance, please feel free to contact YMJ about your sourcing requirements.